Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve failed opening on Discord app. To know how to fix or how to solve failed opening on Discord app, you should just go to settings as you see and you can click. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here we'll enter to the window of Discord. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app or can delete your account. In the end, you can go to Play Store, and if you will find here update in this blue sign on the application of Discord, you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.